Hello guys again and welcome back to another video. Today is about Curiosity Day and I'm going to show you how it looks inside this DIGOO HOSA alarm. I'm going to reveal the internal parts and which is what. Now let's start by taking out the two screws. One is here and one to the other side. And then we can see around we've got these clips. You need to take this tool and slowly trying to open the unit. And you can see here I have a cable connected directly to the motherboard because it has failed the micro USB connection, and that's how I was needed to connect directly to the motherboard. But now it's working perfectly. And here you can see the connections that I made. And here you can see in the battery 3.7 volt 500 milliamps, the speaker, the SIM slot, the wired siren connection. Now let's take a look one by one what we've got in the board. Here we can see we've got two antennas. It is for the SIM card. Here we've got another one cable, this antenna for the Wi-Fi module, the connection for the backup battery, some capacitors soldering to the board, the backup battery for the main board, the QuickTel M26 GSM GPRS communication module, the HF LPB120, this is the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi module, the microcontroller ARM GT32 Cortex M3, and some other small electronics on the board, resistor, inductor, transistor, diode, integrated circuit. And with all that guys, I think now you are smarter, you know how it looks, this DIGOO HOSA alarm at the inside. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like what you like, my video is your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.